Hey YouTube, it's Charisma. How are you? I know you all are like, oh my gosh, she's been MIA, which in fact is true. I have been MIA, but lots of life circumstances have happened which have not allowed me to do as many videos as I would have liked to have done, but I am making a conscious effort now to do videos for you guys. Lots of you have contacted me in regards to the Crown Area Breakage. You want me to talk more about how you can help your crown area replenish itself and grow back stronger and healthier. A lot of you guys have asked me to do my review on the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner, which I will do, and lots of you have reached out to me to do videos, so I'm here. I will make a conscious effort. What I will tell you is, just so that you get an idea of why I have not been making videos as much, is in 2018 I was involved in 2 accidents. Legally I am not allowed to discuss these accidents, so that will kind of give you an idea of, you know, why I have not been able to make videos as much as I would like. What I can tell you is, in both incidents I was not the party at fault, and yeah, so legally I'm not able to discuss that. Yeah, and that's all I can tell you. But what I will say is that God is very good, and I am recovering, and God is helping me day by day, by day by day. My faith in God has increased even more, and I'm just happy to be alive. I can say that much. Don't ever take life for granted. Don't ever think that tomorrow will come. You just don't know. And that's really it. I want to keep this video on a positive note. Oh, also it is the month of May. May is my birthday month, May 18th. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to a new year of life. I'm looking forward to making more goals for myself and accomplishing those goals, and I'm looking forward to moving in the direction that the Most High wants me to move in. But what I would like from you guys is to let me know what kinds of videos would you like to see. I know a lot of you watch me for hair videos, fashion videos, performance videos, but you know, in each category, just let me know. Like, if you watch me for my hair videos, let me know what types of hair videos you'd like to see. If you watch me for fashion, let me know what types of fashion videos you'd like to see, and for performance, what types of videos you'd like to see. That would help me out a lot, because I feel like I'm starting out all over again, even though I've been on YouTube since 2009. Yes, I have. Basically in the natural hair community when it just started. So a lot of the 4 founding members, is that the right way to say it? 4 founding? Well, whoever was in the natural hair community first, like I was amongst that group. You know, and things have changed quite a lot in the natural hair community. For those of you who know, you know how it used to be back in 2008, 2009. So yeah, that's about it. So look forward to some reviews that I will be doing and more videos. Also check out my website. The headband that I'm wearing is one of my hair socks. So basically it's like this, but you can roll it up and then you can wear it as a headband. A nightcap. Is so versatile, and I have so many different patterns and styles. Lots of you who have ordered, I thank you so much for ordering yours and supporting my website, etsy.com/shop/charisma4you. I also make satin bonnets that are reversible. They come in regular, oversized, and oversized plus. I have different patterns and different colors. And I do make custom orders. I make also satin scarves, everything. So go on the website and check it out. I also do custom orders for clothing. So I really appreciate you guys who have supported me. And if you want to support me, please go to my website and I'm pretty sure you'll find something that suits your needs. So you can also follow me on Instagram, instagram.com/charisma4you, and of course all the information will be in the description. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for videos. Just wanted to check in with you to let you know that I'm here, I'm okay, and I will be doing videos for you all. Check out my site, etsy.com/shop/charisma4you.